Howdy, we've got some exciting news here in the Lone Star State. Texas just opened a new opportunity for rural EMS agencies to strengthen their fleet and service capabilities. Texas has officially passed House Bill 3000, which establishes the Rural Ambulance Service Grant Program. Now this bill provides financial assistance to rural counties to support ground ambulance service programs. The grant will help eligible ambulance providers purchase new ambulances and the essential equipment they need to deliver life-saving care. While we wait for more details, here are a few key things to keep in mind about the program prior to applying for the grant. Now, each county can only submit one grant application per fiscal year, and each ambulance service can only receive one grant award annually. When deciding who gets funding, the state will consider several things like how well the county can fund ambulance services on its own, taxable property value per person, per capita income, and local unemployment rates. Counties with under 10,000 people will receive up to $500,000, while counties with a population between 10,000 and 68,750 can qualify for up to $350,000. Now, once a grant is awarded, the county will have 5 years to take delivery of the new ambulance. We'll keep you posted as new program details become available. If you're curious how this funding might power your next EMS vehicle, well, you can dive into our House Bill 3000 Super Guide at frazerbilt.com.